It's a common panic response. A customer stops buying, and almost automatically they receive a generic "we miss you" email and a flat 20. We only want the truly inactive. Now we introduce the big three metrics. Looking at this spreadsheet mockup, we start by adding a column for historical order frequency. Someone who bought from you 10 times in the past is different from someone who bought once. Next, we add a column for total past profit. Sorting by total revenue is a mistake. A customer who generated high revenue but constantly bought low-margin, heavily discounted items is less valuable than a low-revenue buyer who purchased your highest-margin goods at full price. Finally, we need a column tracking the exact number of days since their last order. Recency matters when assessing the likelihood of a return. Sort these three columns together to establish a hierarchy. Your recent, high-frequency, high-margin buyers push to the top. Your one-time buyers from years ago drop to the bottom. By intersecting frequency, profit, and recency, you instantly filter the data. This process separates relationships with strong future potential from expensive lost causes. These segments require distinct treatments. To map this out, add a final action plan column to your matrix. For the top-tier green segment, skip the heavy discounts. Former high-frequency buyers already like your product. They usually just need a gentle push, like a personalized replenishment reminder or an update on a new release. The mid-tier yellow segment is different. These customers showed promise but stalled out. They are the ones who actually require a targeted, carefully calculated financial incentive to cross the threshold and purchase again. Then there's the bottom-tier red segment. The math here is simple. You must spend zero resources chasing one-time buyers who lapsed years ago. The cost to acquire their attention again will exceed any profit they bring in. Matching your reactivation tactic to a customer's historical value ensures economic discipline. This guarantees your business never spends more to recover a customer than that specific customer is worth. Even with the right strategy mapped out, many campaigns fail in the tracking phase. It is common to measure success by looking at the sheer volume of customers who open an email or use a return discount code. But volume is deceptive. Looking at this visual formula, the only metric that dictates success is net reactivation profit. You calculate this by taking the post-return revenue generated and subtracting the total reactivation cost. For example, blasting a massive 20% discount might yield a high return rate, but when you plug those numbers in, the heavy discount often wipes out your margins. The result is a high volume of returning buyers, but a net financial loss. Successful reactivation demands economic discipline. Regardless of how many people come back, if the cost to acquire the returnee exceeds the profit they generate, the campaign has failed. You now have a working matrix. Instead of a massive, unorganized list of past buyers, you possess a prioritized, color-coded dashboard that dictates exactly who deserves your marketing budget. Your marketing now operates with a clear hierarchy, ensuring every dollar spent targets a customer likely to return profit. Your immediate next step is implementation. Take that list and launch your first tailored campaign, focusing exclusively on winning back that profitable green segment. Retention efforts continue even after a customer goes quiet. Effective recovery relies on mathematical discipline to rebuild relationships that actually contribute to the bottom line.